Hello, I'm John Wright, and I'd like to welcome you to this session on creating your own Auto Fabric settings. Auto Fabric Assistant is a great time saver. Now we've got a simple flower here. We'll just gather all of the objects in the flower and look at our underlay settings. We've got a center run as a first underlay and no second underlay. Now let's resize the flower. And we'll notice first of all that the little box that was checked before has turned blue. That's telling me that we've got multiple objects selected and they have different underlay settings. So let's deselect the obvious one, the one in the middle that's a different shape. And we'll see that we've got an edge run as the first underlay and a zigzag with a spacing of 2 mm for the petals. Okay, let's go and have a look at our Auto Fabric Assistant. And these settings are based on the pure cotton setting. Let's change it to another common fabric that's used by everybody, let's say fleecy, and we'll see how the design is affected. First of all, we'll notice that it appears there is no zigzag underlay under the petals. We've still got the edge run as the first underlay. And in fact we have a double zigzag, but the spacing is 5 mm. So this flower is so small that the 5 mm setting doesn't come into play. Or at least it is there, but we can't see the double zigzag. So let's increase the size of the flower, and you'll see there that the double zigzag has appeared. Let's drag our flower back again, and in this case I do want the double zigzag at the smaller size, so I could change the setting to, let's say, 2 mm, and you'll see that the double zigzag has reappeared. Now let's say I want this to be a permanent arrangement for some particular fleecy fabrics that I use. We can go to our design, our Auto Fabric Designer, and we can manage it. We can create a new lot of settings based on that fleecy setting, and I'll just rename it and call it custom fleecy mine. So under white satin stitches we've got an edge run followed by double zigzag underlay, and I'll change the stitch spacing to 2 mm. Now if you look at the top of the dialog box, we're changing it for white satin. We'll now select our narrow satin stitches and also change them to 2 mm. We'll just OK that. You'll notice that we can rename or delete this setting later if we wish to. So we'll close that and then select our new custom setting. OK it again, and you can see that the double zigzag with a 2 mm spacing has appeared in the petals of the flower. There's an easy way to manage your own Auto Fabric Assistant. Thanks for watching.